looking at this Aklot guitar. This is one of their full-size guitars. It's 41 inch and it has a spruce top. It comes with a bunch of stuff. It comes with a pick guard. It comes with a second set of strings, so it has 6 steel strings. It comes with a truss rod and a tuning tool. It comes with a strap, a tuner, a capo, a cleaning rack, and then it also comes with a bunch of picks. So it comes with everything, which is really great. Now, right out of the box, what you're gonna notice a few things about it. It feels really comfortable, and part of that's just the weight. It's a pretty light guitar. It does have the rounded edges instead of those hard corners, and so it fits your body a lot more comfortably than some guitars would. When we look at the quality of the finish, it's a really beautiful guitar. It has a nice finish on the top. The tuners are, I don't know what kind of metal it is. There's metal, but they're solid. They look great, both front and back. So it's just a nice guitar. It feels good, but you don't care about all that. You care about how it plays, so let's listen to it. Alright, so you'll notice it has a really rich tone to it. It's a little bit tinny on top. Now, some of that you can control. One of the things, and I've never had a guitar that came with its own truss rod. Part of what Aklot, it's like Martin guitars in that the adjustment for the bridge is right here inside. So you can stick that in there using your tool. You can adjust it, and so it comes with low action. I actually like higher action, and what that means is how far the strings come off of the bridge. Now, if it's close to the bridge, it's going to rattle a little bit. And when this guitar came in the mail, I thought something was wrong because I started playing it right out of the box, and it didn't work, and it's because the strings were too close to the bridge. So I had to take out that truss rod. I had to adjust it by actually loosening the truss rod, and that put more bow in the bridge. But then I could not only get it so it wasn't rattling anymore, but you can separate it a little further so that it actually adjusts the tone just a little bit. And so I messed around with it till I found something that I really liked. Now here's just a G chord. I'm going to let it just ring out. I played those high notes a little too loud. Let's try it again with a pick. So again, really rich sound, right? So I like it. Now, if you're a new guitarist, the steel strings are going to cut into your fingers a little bit because that's what happens, but these are nice strings, and so I'm really happy with that. And I can't believe how much extra stuff it comes with. If you're thinking of getting this for yourself or for a child or anyone who wants to get into guitar, this really has everything you need to get started, and you'll be good to go for quite some time. And it's a high quality guitar, and so it's not like one of those cheap toy guitars that you get for like 50 bucks that you're just gonna have to throw away if you get serious about guitar. This is a guitar you can actually use and be really happy with for a long time. So I've been pleased with it, and I think you will be too. Hold on, I almost forgot. It also comes with a gig bag. And it's kind of a nice little gig bag, you know. The guitar, of course, fits in it really easily, and it has a pocket on front where you can put music and things like that. I don't think there's anything inside. Just a place to strap down the bridge. but it's a nice little bag. So that comes too. It comes with everything. All right, see you later.